Hello guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed. In today's video, we'll be talking about the Rheem Tankless Water Heater Code 12, meaning causes and solutions. Rheem Tankless water heaters are designed to supply instant hot water to various outlets, including shower heads. However, it's common to occasionally get an error code 12 while using them. This message indicates your heater system is not providing enough hot water due to a failure to detect flame. Several factors can cause this, including faulty flame sensors, low gas pressure, and clogged filters. The following are some of the common causes for an error code 12. Inadequate gas supply. Gas fuels the flame. So if there's no supply from the gas chamber to the burner, they cannot ignite. This is typically the main culprit for an error code 12 in Rheem Tankless water heaters. Aside from insufficient supply, there could also be a problem with the connections. Faulty flame sensor. Accumulated dust, dirt, and carbon residue in the flame sensor will make it difficult for optimal flame detection. This means that even if heat is produced, an erroneous code 12 will still be displayed. Defective pressure regulator. The pressure regulator is the control valve in Rheem Tankless water heaters, tasked with making sure the gas supply to the heater is appropriate in pressure and quantity. If it is faulty, no ignition will take place because of lack of fuel. Now, let's take a look at the best solutions that you can apply to fix the error code 12. Inspect the gas supply channel. If you suspect the water heater is not receiving enough gas, follow these steps. First, switch off the heater system. Then check the gas tank's levels to make sure there's enough fuel. Ensure the hose is straight with no bends. Check for gas leaks by turning on the supply lines. If faulty, replace. Clean the flame sensor. If a clogged flame sensor is the cause of your heater's error code, this is what you need to do. Turn off your heater. Using box tools, open the access panel to get the flame sensor. Open the access panel to get to the flame sensor. Detach the sensor and remove its nuts. Gently clean the sensor using a small dry brush. If it's still faulty, replace it. Check the control valve, pressure regulator. To see if your gas pressure is the culprit, follow these steps. Open the heater and find the valve. Remove it and check for any faults and leaks. Replacement is the only option if it's defective. Thanks for watching.